inspection-based software that wasn't asset-focused. And so the challenges with that is without any of the legacy data behind the asset's history, it posed a big challenge in really understanding that whole legacy of the asset. When we'd go back to do inspections, we would treat it as a brand new asset each time, and so there was constant re-entering of data, which made our inspection process much longer, but it also, again, didn't give us any history of what that asset's life cycle has been, and so it made it very difficult to help a customer truly manage an asset and its compliance and its safety and really total cost of ownership of that asset. Within Fastenal's industry, within the industrial distribution world, we're having to track numerous types of assets. And so obviously we're at a lifting and rigging event, and lifting and rigging is a big piece of it. But our customers challenge us to track power tools, to track pneumatic tools, to track fall protection devices, and really calibration type equipment as well, torque wrenches and micrometers and dynamometers. And so we really needed a system that would allow for many different types of assets and not just strictly lifting and rigging products. It's absolutely a strategic tool, and probably more importantly though, it's a strategic tool for the end user, for our customers, who we're out trying to service at a high level. So it's strategic to us, it's also strategic to the customer, and that's what makes it work well. And again, InfoChip provides that ecosystem for us as a distributor and a service provider, because we're really both, and the customer as well, to play a role in that life cycle, again, of that asset. And so it's very important that we all share and play in that role. Our customers are responsible for a number of different things. Obviously, adding new assets helps us, again, as we come back to provide the service we need to provide. Having a up-to-date and accurate database is important. Making sure that they're participating in scrapping items that they're no longer in service with is also important, to making sure that we have a clean environment to operate in. And some of our customers at times have to do routine preventative maintenance, say every 30 days or even daily inspections that they want to use the software for to help them manage the things that they're tasked to do on a day-to-day or monthly basis. Is that ability to have those push reports go to an end user that says, attention, you've got something you need to address, and probably more importantly is the ability to strategize on who gets those reports. So we have customers with various levels of responsibility that will send a coming due, and then a due, and then a past due. So there are different contacts within the customer that get different levels of reporting, and that's very important for them to be able to do that to help drive compliance. When they give us an asset to maintain, we don't want the customer feeling like it's gone into a black hole. They want visibility to where that asset is and kind of the status of it. And again, InfoChip provides us the ability to relay that information to the customer, and more importantly, the customer can go access that information really at any time that they feel they need to. So it gives the customer real-time updates. In the world of calibration, it's a very important piece to a company's quality control process and procedures. And so the ability, again, to help flag to a customer what's due and what's coming due, and to ensure that they're not out of compliance is very big, because if they're ever being audited, if you're an ISO registered company and you're being audited, you need to produce those certifications, and you need to be in compliance, or that's a major issue within a manufacturer's world. So for calibration of devices, it's very important, and your scheduling and our ability to interact in the system helps drive that compliance and that safety. Pretty well every customer we implement with has some form of legacy data, be it something that they're going to kick out of a current system they're using, more often than not an Excel spreadsheet, InfoChip makes it very easy to take that data, get that uploaded into the InfoChip platform, and get that customer operating on a much better platform than what they were using. Certainly, if it's just Excel. So the support team at InfoChip goes a long way in helping get out that old data, get it into the new system. It's been a big help. Information is king, and your system allows us to help our customers save money, stay safe, drive compliance. So we're at the very infancy stages of using the system to help our customers.